Hey everybody, I wanted to review how you can log in and edit the curriculum committee documents via the Office 365 format. So what you're going to do is the chair of the committee is going to send you a link that's going to say you've had this document shared with you. When you're ready to edit, you're going to open this link. What that's going to ask you to do is go ahead and sign into your account. So the first thing that you want to note here is you want to use your OSU account. So you're going to log in with your name.number at osu.edu, and then we're going to log in. Get your password right. All right. After that, it is going to take you to the online version of the document. Now, when I edited the curriculum document, if you're just looking for grammar and syntax and things of that nature, checking links, you can just click review right here. And you can just, wherever you need to make a comment, you can just insert a new comment and you can edit directly in the document. One thing that came out of the last meeting is sometimes the formatting within the Word Online does not look exactly like it should. So what you might want to do is, if you are looking at the formatting of the syllabi, I'm going to show you how to open the document. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to click Edit in Word. You're going to click Open Link. You're going to click Yes. And then this is going to open the Microsoft Word document. When that happens, this opens up, and it might ask you to log in. If it does, all you want to do is you want to pop this document open and take a look and make sure it all lines up. If some of the page numbering or some of the spacing is incorrect, just take a look at this, and then what you want to do is, sorry, let me move this within the window. What you want to do is, at that point, then just take note of what needs to change, and then close this, go to Resume Editing here, and then find where those edits were, and then just insert a comment in this Word Online document. That's the easiest way. I thought you might be able to save within when you open, but I've found some slight issues with that. So I would just go to click Edit in Word, open it up, take a look, see what needs to change, then close it, and then make changes to the comments in this Word Online document.